Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to migrate an asset from a project to another project. For example, I have a house here and I'm going to use it in this project, so we need to migrate this house to this project. So I'm going to teach you the process of migrate an asset with all the materials and texture to another. So stay with me until the end of the video. To start, we need to find the assets with all the textures and material and merge them all together to a static mesh, because they downloaded from a Quixel bridge and assembled here in Unreal Engine. And as you can see on the right, on outliner section, you see different parts of the house. So it's impossible to migrate all these assets and reassemble them in a new project, and that's why we need to combine all the assets together to a static mesh, and then migrate to another project and assign the materials and etc. So the process is to select all these assets, click on this, hold shift, scroll down and click on the last asset of the house tree, and while holding shift, click on this one to select the roof of the house. You see now they're all selected, and we need to convert it to a static mesh from the actor menu. Convert asset to static mesh, but before that please create a folder in content folder. I'm going to right click on the content section, create a folder, and I'm calling it house, for example 3, and from the actor section, convert actors to static mesh and select house 3 and save it. Wait a moment. So all these assets will be converted to a static mesh, and you can use it in new project with a single click. You see, this is the new asset that converted to static mesh. If I drag and drop it into the scene, you see it will be appear as a single mesh. Now we can migrate this one to another project, but before that save all to save this static mesh, and then right click on it from the asset action, migrate. You see all the materials are appear here, and it will migrate with all the materials assigned to this static mesh. For example, if I double click on the static mesh, and if you look for the materials on the right, you see around 179 materials on the right, and it's impossible to assign all these materials one by one, and it's time consuming, and it's not the right way. The right way is to convert the assets to a single static mesh, and then migrate the static mesh with all the materials. So when you right click on it and asset action and click on migrate, it will export all the materials automatically, and you don't need to assign each materials one by one, and it's not the right way to assign the materials. So click on OK, and now you need to go to the project folder of second project. For example, I'm going to transfer the house to this project. The name of this project is MetaHuman_test, and you need to select the content folder of the second project. So when you right click and select Migrate and click on OK, you need to go to the folder of the second project. For instance, this is my second project, and you need to select the content folder. If you select the project folder, it gives you an error. You see, it says that you need to select the content folder. That's why I'm telling you that you need to select the content folder. Even you don't need to go to another folder in content folder. You just need to select the content folder and click on select folder and wait until all the assets, all the materials will be migrated to the second project. It takes a little time. You see, around 241 assets will be migrated. And if you look for the house tree in the content folder of the second project, this one, you see the static mesh, and if I drag this house into the scene, wait a moment, and you see the house with all the materials assigned to this house, and you don't need to assign them manually. Just like this, and you can put it wherever you like. For example, I'm going to put it here and bring it down a little, and this way we were able to migrate a house or anything else from a project to another project in Unreal Engine 5. Now if I double click on the static mesh and look at the materials on the right, you see all the materials, 179 materials assigned automatically to the house in the new project, in the second project I mean, and you don't need to assign them manually. So this way we were able to migrate an asset or a material from one project to another project in Unreal Engine 5. I hope you like this video tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and leave your comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much.